I mean, I like to give my kind of like really solid my feedback fully on the
Mhm.
program for working with you guys for this past year. Um, well, starting from the very beginning. So when I first joined, I didn't.
Mhm.
I had like two other places I was considering. Like I started at like really zero. I knew no tech
Mm.
anything. I literally had to when I read Chris's his book, The Ace the Data Engineer Interview or something like that. I had to look up like what a
Mm.
network was. I didn't know anything about bits and bytes and like all these
Yeah.
other. Like I
Yeah.
was started like below zero with the tech thing, so
Mm.
I didn't know anything, and I was looking at these other two. Like kind of like schools that I was considering like taking like learning more about more so
Mhm.
data analytics. And I forgot who it was. I think his name was Brad Bryan. I forgot the guy that had spoke to that kind of onboarded me and introduced me to Chris. But he was basically saying that, you know, I could learn the same skills there. And the main reason why I ended up choosing you guys was for the job placement kind of support.
Mm. Yeah.
Whatever, because
Exactly.
or something that the other schools weren't offering. However, the other schools, what they did offer, it was kind of more like a classroom style, which I kind of
Mm.
needed because I was like starting like so far behind, and you know it's kind
Mm.
of difficult to just take the course with you guys in the beginning. But ultimately, because I knew I just didn't want to know the skills, I wanted to get into a job. I decided to go with you guys.
Mm.
In the beginning, when I took SQL, obviously it was very challenging for
Yeah.
me
Yeah. It is.
language, and I was like, I almost quit like after the first few weeks or whatever. And I remember talking to Chris, and he was something he said that really helped me was, you know, kind of forget the code at first and like focus on like pseudocode, like really write out what it is that you want
Yeah.
to do first, and then
Yeah.
code it afterwards. And I think that really helped me through it or whatever. And you could tell him that. So that was really important to kind of help me keep going in SQL. Once I got the hang of SQL a little bit, then it was encouraging more so for me to keep going. And then
Mm.
afterwards, there was Tableau that I looked
Mm.
into. The only thing I didn't kind of like about Tableau as far as how I had to learn it was because I think I had to download like a Kaggle set or something and then kind of build it out from there. But there were like no pictures or images or anything. So even though I was following along the text instructions, I didn't really tell if I did it right or if I did it wrong or whatever. And it was like not much feedback. So I didn't
Mm.
really know how well I did on Kaggle until later on I found I had to like look at other similar like dashboards and things like that.
Mm.
But then when I got into Python, Python was the only thing I was kind of like disappointed about because I think
Mm.
in when I was trying to do Python in the system, though in most coding and also like in SQL, you could do it multiple ways as long as you get the same
Yeah.
result. It wasn't kind of like
Mm.
that with Python. It's like you had to code it the way that it was showing in there, and maybe that was the way that it just taught it, but I would not get it right that way, even though I could do the code and
Mm.
it became kind of frustrating. I couldn't do it, but I knew I had to because already at the point I was so far
Yeah.
in.
Yeah.
Kind of like, you know, I went to data camp and code signal and some like other places where I
Mm.
kind of learned. And that's how I eventually ended up learning Python. It was a longer journey. I mean, it took me a while, but eventually I did get it. However, one thing I do want to say, even with my disappointment with the Python side, SQL, I definitely couldn't have probably did SQL without you guys for
Mm.
sure. The support that you guys offer, I think, is like awesome. Like you're always there. You could always get on a call. I mean, I think the support is unmatched. And you have a lot of people also that kind of support instead of just designating like one program manager or something like that. But on top of that, like the job support, when you guys like help kind of put together the resumes and also you guys applying for this job, I wouldn't apply for this job, like honestly, because I
Yeah.
did see it was a little bit AI focused. And even though I just like literally graduated from this other program and learned so much about AI and ML, I wasn't confident enough, or really still kind of am not, to start applying for those jobs yet, because I'm not going to be like an ML engineer or generative AI engineer person or anything like that. But I didn't know about the product manager roles, product owner roles, where you just really need the knowledge for that. So
Yeah.
you guys just seeing that and applying for it. And even when I saw it come up and they asked for the interview, I was like, why am I even going to interview for? I don't even know why they're reaching out, but it
Yeah.
ended up
Yeah.
working out for me, you know, and now shit, I'm hired as long as everything goes well with
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
grad,
Totally.
everything else, the onboarding and all that. So those few things are something that I
Mm.
definitely have to give you guys a testimonial for. Like SQL, definitely the support that you guys offer, and then the job support of you know, helping me get this role. So that's my really full and honest feedback for you guys. And it's
Mm.
also why I waited so long to give the feedback, because my main thing that I decided to join you guys for, the main reason was for the job support. So I was hoping that at least you guys were the one to find the job and not me, or else I'd have felt like I kind of wasted a lot of time with you guys and money. So I'm so happy that you guys did find that. And so, you know, I give credit where credit is due for that. So I do appreciate you guys for that. So that's my view and honest feedback.
Yeah, thank you so much. Totally understand.